In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get high and low price labels on Tradingview. Start by opening your chart for the symbol and time frame you want to analyze. Make sure you are looking at the main price chart, not an indicator pane. On the right-hand side, you'll see the price axis. This is the vertical scale that shows price levels. Right-click directly on that price axis to open its quick menu. From there, hover over Labels to reveal the label options, then click High and Low Price Labels. The moment you enable this, Tradingview will mark the current chart's maximum and minimum points. You'll notice small labels appear on the price scale, corresponding to the highest and lowest prices within your current view. If you pan or zoom, those labels will automatically update to reflect the new extremes visible on your screen. Here is also a more thorough way to control this from the chart settings, which is helpful if you want to confirm the preferences saved with your layout. Right-click anywhere on the chart background to open the context menu. Then select Settings. In the Settings window, go to the Scales tab. Look for the section that refers to high and low. Open the drop-down there, choose the value option that displays the actual price, and make sure the labels are enabled. This ensures Tradingview consistently shows the high and low price labels as part of your chart configuration, so you don't have to rely only on the quick toggle from the Axis menu. Once these are on, remember what you are seeing, the maximum and minimum for what's currently displayed on the chart. If you change the time frame, scroll back in history, or zoom in and out, the highest and lowest values will update to match the visible range. That makes these labels especially useful for quick orientation spotting, where price recently peaked or bottomed without cluttering your chart. If the labels appear faint, it may just be your theme or background contrast. What matters is that they're enabled on the Axis menu and in the Scales settings. With both places configured, you'll have reliable, always-on high and low references that keep your analysis clean and fast. That's it. Thanks for watching.